Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you my chest workout routine. 90% of the time I use only 3 exercises, but first I begin my sessions with a little bit of cardio, maybe from 5 to 10 minutes. This helps me wake up and gets my heart pumping. Skip! The first exercise is the incline barbell bench press. I begin with this because my upper chest is the weakest part of the chest. I begin with 2 warm-up sets, 35% and 55% respectively of my presumed 1 rep max. Then I move on to the working sets. I do 2 of those. The first one is about 75% and the other one is about 90%. But guess what? The last one is definitely a drop set. I like to keep things steady and controlled just to make sure I hit the muscles properly. But also, safety is important. I do not have spotters and my setup does not have safety stuff. If I had access to the gym, I'll probably not be using the barbell. I'll probably using the machine or dumbbells just to reduce muscle imbalance. I never forget to hydrate because why not? Look at me chilling. I'm cute. Then we move on to the dips. As usual, we start with a warm-up set and we move on to the working set. Weighted dips, definitely. And then the last one, you've guessed it, drop sets. Very important. A few drop set helps me exhaust my muscles, strongly, I guess. In as much as I'm trying to exhaust the muscles, I do not get to total failure. I usually have 1 or 2 reps in the tank or something. Reason being that, it's not the last exercise for today. I still need my strength. Alright, and last but not the least is the flat bench press. Here I only do 2 working sets, okay? The first one is about 70% of my presumed 1 rep max, and the last one would be to total an absolute failure. And yeah, then I can give my chest a good rest for 2 days and do this again. Please tell me in the comments what you think I can do better. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.